When we were installing the CT scanner into Weeper, the Canon project team for installation engineering and sales as well were always very responsive and very helpful in the planning stages of the best way to install the scanner, as well as to achieve the best outcome. The team were always really helpful in with regards to meetings that were held before install, as well as ideas and plans on how best to lay out rooms as and other ancillary items. We certainly had no issues of conflict where the vendor wanted to do one thing and engineering wanted to do something else. There was always a clear line of communication and a really helpful service in the implementation phase, and then once install and further and then starting up the service.